Welcome. Today we're just looking at the correct way to synchronize your GitHub with the Visual C++ repository feature in the Unreal Engine. You will still have to download the original source engine files from the Unreal repo to your local machine to work with it, but this method means that you don't go beyond the 1 GB file limit on GitHub and you have to upgrade your account at the start, so this avoids that. And finally, the biggest benefit is that this allows you to edit and upload only your game files unless you make some engine specific changes, in which case it will only be the engine files that are uploaded to your repo. So does this sound useful? If it does, well, let's get stuck in. Welcome back. So the first thing you're going to do is just start up a new project in the Unreal Engine. Then wait for a moment while your Unreal Editor and your Visual Studio loads up. So you'll notice all your game files have been created. Now if you click on Create, Git Repository and Git Changes. In your Create Git Repository window, leave everything as default and click on Existing Remote. In the box Remote URL, you'll notice that that's required. So where do we get that from? In your GitHub repository on the web, you should have forked the Unreal Engine to your own repository. Copy the git clone link as shown. Now just paste the link into the Remote URL required box. Leave the rest of the options default or research about what it is you have to put in them if you want, it's up to you. If this option comes up, just click yes, they'll get added later on, those files. Now you're going to see some of your files being ready and prepared for the act of committing to the repository. We're just going to look at the commits. Now your branch probably won't show any commits on it, so you need to double click on the branch. Now if you get this message, I don't quite understand what it means, but it's going to stop you from pushing your commit to the repository that you have. This is the error message you'll face. So then if you fetch the repository, you'll see that all the files start to get downloaded from the repository that you've got online. If you get a message about installing extra components, then just do that. Let the visual installer do its thing. First thing to do is check out a new branch with the following command. Then type the command git push origin and the name of your branch that you've just checked out. So now you can see that the first branch has just had a push, so all we're going to do is just click on master and then go down to first branch on the master. So now you can see all those files are updated. Now that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Hope you can subscribe to the channel and like the video. Have a great day. Bye bye.